Hello, Nurse Ann here. I am actually just having such a good day that I decided that I would just show you my garden and just taunt my little success here. And so you can see that you can become a green thumb just soon, just very soon. Okay, so my years have been at least 20, but if I had been diligent, I could have done it in a year. So please send me a comment in my chat box just to let me know that you are succeeding in your green thumb adventure. So you've seen some of these, but let's just go over what I have here. Okay, these are the peas that we planted together on how to plant a seed. These are pea seeds, and this is actually less than a week that they've actually grown so tall already. I'm just so excited about it. Now, I will tell you that it has rained here in Alabama every day this week since I planted these seeds. So I didn't even have to use my stored rainwater. Mother Nature gave it the water. Also, look at my little bell pepper. I know, I'm so excited. I'll be picking this one really soon. But my bell pepper is growing really well. This little pot is the cucumbers, and you can see I have blooms on it. I don't see a baby cucumber yet, but they're coming because I've got lots and lots of blooms, so they are coming. So let's go further. Here you see that I have my basil plant. Okay, this one up front is the basil. The one behind it is the tomato plant. And this is an indeterminate tomato plant because you can see that it is growing very, very tall, and I'm still getting blooms. And I planted this plant in April, and I will tell you that I've gotten a good many tomatoes. I want to say at least 7 or 8 tomatoes already off of this plant, but we have a baby coming, and it will be ready in probably another week. I'll be pulling that one. Okay, back here we have the okra plants. So okra, and this one's got a nice bloom, so I will have an okra off of it really soon. And I don't know if you can see that it's got a little baby growing right here, a baby okra. Yes. Okay, let's go further. Okay, here I have my collards. Okay, I have a net around it, so I'm trying to keep the rabbits or the squirrels or whatever off of my collard greens. Okay, more basil. And here is my carrots that I'm experimenting with. This is my first year of planting carrots. So I haven't pulled any of them yet. So we'll see if I actually get a carrot out of it. I will let you know. Okay, in this little pot I have some chards, Schards, chards, which is in the lettuce family. And yes, I've eaten probably have pinched off of this plant during the summer at least probably 5 or 6 times, and it just grows more as I pinch. It just grows more. So you should try this one. I did plant this one in April, and it's growing really well. Okay, here we have some squash. I know it's in a pot, and this is my first time doing squash in a pot that actually has some pretty blooms on it. I haven't gotten any squash off of it as yet, but I did plant this in April, and this is now August, so I know I'm waiting for my squash. I'm thinking that maybe the squirrels or the groundhogs or something is getting at my squash because I have seen blooms for months now, and yet I have not had a squash as yet, but we're going to keep working at it. Now here I have another cucumber in a pot. I want you to see how large my cucumber is. It is actually just leaning onto this extra pot I have because it was getting heavy, and you can see that I've got plenty of blooms coming on this cucumber, and I am looking in the middle of here, and I've got more blooms coming. The little patches here were blooms, and then they're going to turn into cucumbers. I know, I'm so excited, I can't hardly wait. Okay, I have more okra. You can see I planted a lot of okra this year. So again, we have some baby okra coming, and yes, I've already eaten 2 things of okra off of these plants already. So soon I'll be putting some in the freezer and sharing with my neighbors.